Today, I'm showing you how roasted chickpeas help you take your salad from blah to wah. Hi there, I'm Tori, a registered dietitian nutritionist with Yes Nutrition, here to help you say yes to fun, fresh food ideas. You know, I grew up adding croutons to my salads. I watched my family do it. It's what was served to me at restaurants, and it just seemed to be like the ingredient you added whenever you ate a salad. But a couple of years ago, I found a crunchy swap for croutons that I just loved: roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas can be purchased at your local grocery store, or you can make them yourself. To make them, you'll need 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a ½ teaspoon each of garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. Simply add the chickpeas to a sheet pan, drizzle over olive oil, then add in your favorite spices. I like garlic, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt on mine. Then, pick them up and shake them around your pan to mix. Next, roast the chickpeas in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 to 35 minutes. You'll want to remove them from the oven and shake the pan every 10 or so minutes just so that you keep the chickpeas from burning. Once they're golden and the outsides are crisp, it's time to remove them from the oven and let them cool. Chickpeas, also referred to as garbanzo beans, are full of good nutrition. They deliver fiber, plant-based protein, and minerals like iron and potassium. In fact, just 1/2 cup of chickpeas delivers nearly 8 grams of fiber to help keep you feeling fuller for longer. Keep roasted chickpeas in a glass jar or reusable bag and use them on your next salad. You can even use them to give an extra crunchy topping to soup, or simply enjoy them by the handful as a snack. Roasted chickpeas can be added just like you'd use croutons in your salads. Will you say yes to this fun, fresh food idea? Give it a try and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.